His Excellency the Ambassador of Japan to Fiji, members of the diplomatic corps, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, Sambal Naka and Konbanwa. Let me begin by congratulating Japan for hosting what the World Cup chairman has labeled as probably the greatest World Cup. I had the privilege to be in Japan for the Fiji-Georgia game. I should have been there for the Wales game as well, because I brought good news to the Fiji team. I also congratulate Japan for reaching the quarterfinal for the first time. To be an island in Scotland is no mean feat. Ladies and gentlemen, the warmth and passion that have characterized the strong bilateral relationship between Fiji and Japan is built on the foundation of mutual trust and understanding. We share a rich history dating back to October 1970, when we established formal diplomatic ties. Today, we celebrate another milestone, the 35th anniversary of the Japan International Cooperation Agency operations in Fiji. It is with great honor that I extend, on behalf of the government and the people of Fiji, our deepest gratitude to the government of Japan for this remarkable milestone. As we celebrate, we also pay tribute to the will, resolve, and determination of the Japanese people. From the ashes of war, they forged a nation whose economy is one of the largest in the world. For 85 years, Japan's prosperity has greatly benefited Fiji. Through JICA, Japan's numerous and generous support is evidenced by your JICA loan aid, technical cooperation, and volunteer programs in diverse areas such as infrastructure, maritime and fisheries, climate change, environment, education, and health. Fiji truly appreciates the significant contribution and leadership that Japan continues to provide in championing our mutual interests. On the regional front, Japan has continued its dialogue, partnership, and collaboration with Fiji and other Pacific Island countries. At the recent 8th Pacific Island Leaders Meeting, the PAM 8, discussions have progressed on various regional issues, including the sustainability of maritime resources, maritime order, and sustainable development. We greatly appreciate Japan's efforts to promote peace, stability, resilience, and prosperity in the region. Ladies and gentlemen, Fiji-Japan bilateral relations continue to grow steadily in the past few years due to extensive collaborations, ongoing initiatives, and exchange of bilateral visits between our countries. Japan has played a key role in facilitating the democratic process in Fiji through the Japanese-funded Strengthening Legislature's Capacity in Pacific Island Countries, a 3-year project aimed at strengthening the Fijian legislature. Japan has also been instrumental in advancing our security capability in our territorial waters through the Economic Social Development Program grant aid, with assistance through our Fiji Police Force. We continue our joint cooperation with Japan on post-cyclone Winston rehabilitation and recovery efforts through the Adopt a School program, and indeed we are in appreciation of and to the government of Japan's assistance in the rebuilding of schools that were affected by TC Winston. Ladies and gentlemen, our cooperation with Japan on development projects has reached remote communities under Japan's grant assistance for grassroots human security projects program, for which we are truly grateful. I am pleased to note our relations has grown from strength to strength, and I have no doubt it will continue to prosper in the years to come. With those words, ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure on behalf of the government of government and the people of Fiji to say thank you as we extend our best wishes and continued prosperity to the government and the people of Japan. I congratulate JICA again for the 35 years of its establishment in Fiji, and I look forward to the next 35 years of closer collaboration. Thank you, and may Almighty God bless you and all our beloved Fiji. Vinaka.